Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI with Junior Pro. Before we start, as usual, I have a few comments from a few people that I wanted to point out. Most of them I've actually responded. Now, what I've tried to do on these segments is basically say out the word so the other person or whoever wrote in would know how it was actually pronounced. So I have two comments that I wanted to point out from Mike and Joel. So Mike sent me a comment asking me if he wanted to ask his wife to make him ampesie. How would he say that in Twi, right? So seeing that it's your wife, right? You can say Mepawokyɛw, noa ampesie mami, right? Mepawokyɛw is please, noa is cook, ampesie is the dish, either be it bayere ampesie or body ampesie or making ampesie or all combined, right? Then obviously mami is for me. Or you can, if you want to be a bit romantic, you can say Ɔdɔ. Ɔdɔ is love, right? You can literally grab hold of her, look at her in the eye and say, Ɔdɔ Mepawokyɛw no ampesie mami. That could work. That will definitely work. So that's from Mike. Then the next one was from Joel. Joel, I really appreciate your comment. I really appreciate support, right? So what Joel wanted to find out was what's the difference between Nsuo retɔ and Nsuo, right? So Nsuo is water. Retɔ is basically re is, to is fall, right? So in Twi, Nsuo retɔ is basically saying, literally saying, water is falling, right? But you can also say Nsuo tɔ. Nsuo tɔ is also saying Nsuo, which is water. To is falls, which is like waterfalls, right? So if you go to Ghanaian Guide and you go Nsuo retɔ, we know that you're saying water is falling, but technically speaking, it's raining, right? You can also say Nsuo tɔ, right? I usually say Nsuo tɔ and everyone gets that I'm trying to say that it's raining, right? So both of them are perfectly fine. Joe also wanted to find out what's the difference between mu and so. So mu is basically within something and so is on top of something. So if I come and I say Joe, let's say Joe visits me, I'm like Joe, and I have a stool, then I'm like Joe, Tena akonnwa so. Tena is sit, akonnwa is chair, so it is on top. No is that specific one, right? So Joe, Tena akonnwa no so. Joe sit on the chair, right? On is so. Then you have one of those chairs that when you sit, it actually sinks you in, one of those sofas, right? I can say Joel Tena akonnwa no mu. Remember, mu is within something because when you sit, you actually sink into the chair, so it becomes mu. So Joel Tena akonnwa no mu. But one can also say, you know what, so mi mu, which is like take hold of me. There's so and there's mu. Even though we're not talking about within something, right? We know that when somebody says so mi mu, it's like embrace me. It's like take hold of me. Yeah, take hold of me makes more common sense. So mi mu is like take hold of me. So depending on the context, right? Mu and so can mean different things. But technically, when you say something is so, we know it's on top of something. I think in one of my videos, I said mitiso, which is on top of my head, right? And mu is inside of something. You can say fridge no mu, which you're saying inside the fridge, right? So that's the difference between su and mu. Then he wanted to know what's the difference between mensu and ensu. So Drew, they're basically the same thing. If you find a Ghanaian person crying and you go, hey, let's call him Bob. Hey, Bob, Nsuo. We all know that, or Bob will know that you're trying to tell him not to cry, right? And if you go and say Bob Mensu, the thing is, it's the same, but for some reason, Mensu has a bit of affection when you say it. So people tend to say to children. So if you find a child crying, you'll say Billy, or you'd say Kwame. Let's use Ghanaian names. You say Kwame, Mensu, why? It's like Kwame, don't cry. You get what I'm trying to say? Then with adults, you tend not to say Mensu, but it shows a bit of affection. So, but technically speaking, mensu and ensu are exactly the same thing. And Mike, Joel, thanks again for all the comments. Guys, like I said, no one, if you need anything, put it in the comment section, right? Just write me anything about the channel. If you want to know stuff about the channel, if you want to know stuff about the app, if you want to know stuff about me personally, if you want me to translate something for you, put it in there. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends to go watch, subscribe, let the video grow. I made a bet with friends of mine. They claimed that I won't reach 500 subscribers. Well, it's only been a little bit over 2 months that I've made like 100 and something subscribers, right? But I'm trying to, by the end of the year, if possible, well, if the message gets across properly and you guys love the content, you know what? Let's reach 1,000. Let's see how the channel actually grows, right? Because For now, I'm just doing it because I love spreading the language. Hence, I started the app, because you meet people that can't speak and it's a bit sad. And I'm trying to, I'm trying to promote the language out there. So help me do that by spreading the word. With that, guys, let's start today's lesson. Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Well, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and today's lesson is a bit different, right? So I have a few words that I was asked to translate. There are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 words. So what I wanted to do was make it look a bit interesting. So it's a little skit that will touch on these words, right? So what's going to happen is you watch a little clip. It'll touch on these 6 words that I hear. Then what I'm going to do is once that's over, you guys will come back to me here again. Then what I'll do is I'll actually translate into TWI for you guys. So with that, check the clip. Then when we get back, I'll translate everything. So yeah, hope you like it.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Please help me.
What help do you need?
I need to go to a grocery shop.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show me where it is?
Anne.
Sorry, what did you say?
Oh, sorry. The closest grocery shop is actually when you go back the way you came from.
Okay.
Turn right, go straight, down, then you turn right, then you should see it over there.
Sure. This will take me a while.
Not really.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
I will be going now.
Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you liked it, right? So these are the things that, were touched on in the little clip that I showed you guys. So the first one was, do you speak English? Do you speak English in TWI is Woka brɔfo. Woka brɔfo, which is, do you speak English? That's in TWI, right? Then another thing that she mentioned was, when I was sitting there, please help me, right? Please help me in TWI is Mepawokyɛw. Mepawokyɛw is please. Boa is help. Me is me. So please help me in TWI is Mepawokyɛw boa me. Okay, cool. Something else that was touched was, can you show me where it is in TWI would be Wobɛtumi akyerɛ me baabiara. That is, can you show me where it is? The next thing was, I think she asked me something, I responded in TWI, then she said, sorry, what did you say? So, sorry, what did you say in TWI is Kafra, which is sorry. Woka saying, that's sorry, what did you say in TWI? Then she pointed out, it will take a while to navigate to the shop. So it will take me a while is Makyɛ kakra means it will take me a bit of time. Like I said, Makyɛ is it will take me some time. Kakra is a bit. So Makyɛ kakra says it will take me a bit of time. Then look at me. Okay, I don't think look at me was actually featured in the little video, but look at me. Look is hwɛ. Me is me. So hwɛ me is look at me. Right? So these are the 5 things that were mentioned in the video. Then the 6th one is just a bonus one. So as I said, guys, if you like the content, please click on the like button, subscribe, click on the bell button for future notifications, right? And please spread the word. Tell everyone that you think would benefit from this video, and also tell them about the TWI Junior Pro app, which is less than $1. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. Then with the coronavirus, stay at home. It's not about you, it's about the other person. Only go out for essential things, which is food and medical supplies. I hope you enjoyed that little skit. We'll try and keep the channel entertaining and add more stuff as it comes. Forgive picture quality for now. We'll sort everything out as time grows. The channel will grow. So with that, lots of love from us. Bye.